Yes, we are live. So if you can find the YouTube link and give to everybody, be better. Nishant Bhai, welcome to stream. Yes, Nishant Bhai, welcome.
Welcome, bye. How are you?
Nice, nice. Missed you, you know. Everyone was missing you, not only me. I think Ahmad, everybody was asking. I said,
No,
Nishant,
I, I'm chatting with them privately, but
okay. Yeah, they asked, and I said maybe Nishant Bhai is out of town with business and work. Yeah.
right. So
Okay.
all good, bye.
All
Eyes and
good,
stuff.
all good. I went to the dentist as well, and they done the mold and everything. So hopefully, by next week or whatever, I should Friday or something like that. I should get the
The dentures. Okay.
Made in China ones. Second hand ones.
Right.
Okay, push that there as well. Let me give this to her as well in case he needs that. And both. Okay, and Pinot Royal as well. Okay.
You have the YouTube link, right?
Hey, yeah, I put the YouTube link as well for them. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
because in case the room fills up and then it says no
Correct.
one can come in. Yeah,
Right, bye. Yeah.
because that way it gives room for others. Yeah, and because
Right.
the Templars know as well, so that would ease things a bit. Yeah, hopefully.
Correct, bye.
Yeah, I think we give them a few moments. I think, and then we can start. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to do one. I think yesterday or day before, and my left eye was hurting a lot. Now.
Yeah. I thought last weekend also. I mean, you were telling it.
I was
You
going
wanted
to
to
do a
do.
webinar on Sunday, but the I started playing up on Friday.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday started really playing up, yeah. And
Right.
Monday was like searing pain, So went to see them, and they gave me some drops and put in and rest them a bit, yeah. But
Okay.
only the left one, not this one.
So why is there? What is the reason? Why? What is the diagnosis?
I had glaucoma, yeah. So
Okay,
they did
glaucoma.
that to bring the pressures down, ocular
No, no.
pressures, and they
Okay.
removed the cataracts, yeah.
Okay.
And then what happened was when they initially done the operation, I came home and everything and whatever, and I was masked up. In
Okay.
the night, I got up and I thought the door was open. The door was closed, yes, but it was open halfway, and no lights on and no eyes. So I walked into the door now,
Okay.
and I banged the eyes badly, the left one especially, and went to sleep and all that, but it started bleeding inside now. So I had to go
Oh.
back and that is what happened.
Oh. Okay.
So it was me, not them. The procedure was fine. Procedure was fine, but it was me. It was me. Blind as a bat and walk into a door. Oh God. Okay.
Guys are joining slowly.
Okay. Oops. Comments. You will have to read the comments.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay. Because
Uh,
still, eyes, focus wise is still a bit fuzzy, now.
AC. Yeah.
And still, I when the pain comes, I've got these on for backup anyway.
Okay. Yeah.
With, uh, you know, I believe. Um, I think not sure, but I think one of the nuclear reactors in Ukraine is
Yeah.
smoking or something or other. No,
Yeah. They bombed a reactor, I guess.
bloody hell. Okay, saying that lucky in a way that my nephew, na,
Okay.
he's second year medic student in Ukraine.
Right.
and he was going to go, like end of February or whatever it was. Just before this started, he was all packed up to go, and this happened, so he stayed at home. Otherwise, he
My
would have been stuck there.
my wife's cousin, the one guy, he came just yesterday, I think, or he's still on his way. He's coming today. So
Okay,
from Ukraine, he had to go to Budapest, cross the border
and
from
then
Hungary. Now, I think they found a flight which India is coordinating. So
okay,
pretty hell. He was seeing actual bombing and all, sending videos and all that.
my God. And I believe also, I think about 2 or 3 days ago, I saw, in our group in Facebook, no,
Right.
one of their sons, I think it was about 22 or 23-year-old, first Indian casualty, with a
Correct, correct,
bombing.
correct. Yeah.
Oh,
Apparently
it's like,
went for some food to pick up food, and he
yeah,
got bombed.
so sad. And also, I don't know, I heard Hasim, my nephew, he was telling me that they were giving problems in giving access or flights or out for, unfortunately, black people. Black means all of us, basically, no?
Right, right.
Yeah, so that was quite a shocker, because so many from Africa and whatever stuck like that. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. No, so I mean there I what I believe is arrangements are good, but even at the
huh.
border and all that, it's not so bad. They're arranging for these refugees and all that,
They're
but
doing a lot.
coordination from there is becoming a headache.
Yeah, they're doing a lot. What they
Yeah,
can,
yeah,
and I think I saw like a snippet. I think there's about like 800,000 displaced. Yeah,
yeah. Crazy,
and
by
refugees going into Poland and other countries. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
war. The innocent poor folk especially get
Yeah,
hurt.
very cruel.
Very cruel. And unfortunately, for like we've seen in the past with Iraq and Kuwait and Afghanistan, all these ones, for markets and whatever, it's like a boom time kind of thing near enough.
Right, right.
They believe, death and destruction as, you know, more opportunities for construction and this, that, and whatever have you,
Correct.
the crooks. I believe I read somewhere, I think, this Iraq, sorry, and Kuwait and Afghanistan or whatever, I think near enough about, I don't know, about 11 million people have died in that in those years, including Syria and whatever.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Hmm.
Because if you think of it, these wars were like, how long were the Americans in and them and British and whatever have you in Afghanistan? Nearly about 15, 20 years, I would think.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know.
Easily.
Huh?
Yeah, easily, by yeah.
Yeah, and, carpet bombing and, like when they were bombing Iraq, for example, I used to watch it, on the telly all nighter and whatever. And these B-52 bombers, they
Yeah,
could
yeah.
you would think that it would hardly lift off, and those ones were carrying bombs which is the size of uh, two London double-decker buses.
Okay. Oh my
So
God.
you can imagine if one of those bombs fell, how much
Yeah.
destruction it would do.
Right, right.
And also, obviously, a bomb is a bomb. It's not going to find only the bad guys. It's all
Correct,
the
correct.
good spread out. It's going to. There's no such thing as a clinical thing.
Right, right.
Yeah. Well, and even after all that, what did they achieve? Nothing. Nothing happened.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nothing.
Nothing happened.
Exactly.
Really. No. Nothing happened. I mean,
Nothing. And
Afghanistan has been.
they just left Afghanistan on one day. That's it.
Huh. But to be honest with you, that is the trademark of Americans.
Correct, correct. That is exactly American.
It's trademark of Americans because you can see in Vietnam, in Somalia, Mogadishu, you
Correct.
know, uh, they just go in, and then just out, and that's it, and then leave everything to it.
Yeah, yeah. They mess it up and then go off.
Uh, Same like Iraq, how long they were, and it was freedom and all this. They are in a worse position with the Americans being there than they were before, yeah?
Correct, correct.
And now still internal warfare, civil war will keep on going on and on,
Right,
because there
right.
will be a power struggle, yeah? And also, the crooks like, what was his name, Rumsfeld and Cheney and whatever, they got all
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
defense contracts and contracting and for the army and they made millions out of it.
Yeah, exactly, bhai. Yeah.
Huh? And unfortunately, the British trademark, they thought they would get something. All the contracts went to the Americans.
Yeah,
Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, so I think we can start, yeah? It's
yeah. We
enough.
can start.
It's
I'll
enough,
be
yeah,
on mute.
because those other ones, they knew we were going to do this at this time, and
Right, right.
later they can watch it or whatever be it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so this will be fun.
You need to share your screen, bhai.
Um yep, I knew something was not right, so we need,
Yeah.
yeah, we got full screen. In fact, we can get rid of this educational
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all this
The
crap as
educational
well,
thing.
Whoops, where are we? Hide. Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. I'll be on mute. Any comments, I'll let you know.
Okay, yeah, please shout. Please shout.
Yeah,
Please shout.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and anybody else as well wants to just type in one side or whatever other and things. Yeah. Any questions? Shout. Okay, S&P 500. Make sure that I give you all the daily levels for everything. Yeah. This is S&P 500 futures. Yeah. We were looking for a drop. Yes, we did get it overnight as well. Now we wait and see. And we got I call it mega crooks day because we got non-farm payrolls. Yeah. So that's at 1:30, which is 08:30 a.m. ET, 1:30 p.m. UK time. Yeah. Um, so let's see what they do. Because to be honest with you, non-farm payroll or whatever, the numbers make no difference. It's how they want to spin the numbers. Yeah. You can have many times you can have bad numbers and the market rallies because what they say is it is bad but it is not bad enough so it is good, that kind of idea. Yeah, so if you're not sure on non-farm payrolls, stay aside, wait until the dust settles, and then you can trade it. Yeah, there is a way to trade the non-farm payroll as well. We will do that hopefully I'll show you how to do that on a weekend or something like that, and trading the news kind of thing. Yeah. Okay. So these are the numbers, and I'm looking, like I've said yesterday or day before, maybe I'm looking for a drop into this sixth of March or whatever. But that's like coming on a weekend time. Yeah. So we give it a few days ahead, maybe Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. But I'm looking for a sharp drop down in S&P as well, even if it spikes up. Yeah. And we are looking at a 30-minute chart. Let's just have a look above. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. See, we are in a range, yeah, sideways. So it is coiling. It's coiling, yeah. If we go in a higher time frame, we see the trending is down. It's called a 20-man. This is called a 20-man 135 pattern, yeah. And on a weekly, can you roughly see a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder forming? And one of the things is, when you look at a head and shoulder, of course, the market is not textbook, yeah? If you look at a head and shoulder, oh God, this, let's make it thicker. If you see a head and shoulder, if it's like that, yeah? If the right and left shoulders are symmetrical, it is a head and shoulders, but technically, what you want is leaning. If it is right shoulder, then you got a head that way. You want the left shoulder lower, and which we are near enough getting here. Yeah. Okay. And you can draw a line, and you can draw a line from here to here, and draw a line from here to here, bottom. That is kind of your rough idea as to where you should be going down. Okay. Everyone okay with that? Oops. Yeah, but this is the numbers you need for today. Okay. We got the V shape up, LOC, MOB, we need to be careful. Okay. Dow will be the same. Yeah. Similar. That's the Dow futures. Somebody making comments. Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. Nascrap. Nice dropper. Yeah, I suppose this must be that smoking reactor stuff in the night, yeah? Ukraine maybe hit a bomb on a nuclear reactor, I think. That is what this news is. Now they're buying it up, and then we see where main thing is when the Americans wake up, what mood they are in, yeah? Okay, Nasdaq, now Daxi. Similar, all at the drop now coming up, but not much. That one is reaching LOC, this one is at just at F1. So wait for the Americans. Well, make sure you get all the daily levels. That's the main thing, yeah? That's the main thing. Nifty is filled the gap up, is filled it. Now we need to wait and see. It might pop up a bit more and then splatter down, yeah? But these are the levels. But as you can see, look, those who came to do the daily levels, you can see the V shape, yeah? And remember, I told everyone, how do you find the V shape very quickly? You just look at a line chart. There you go. Yeah. Okay. FTSE will be similar. Yeah. It's coming down. Okay. It's not fill the gap. Okay. How many you do trade this FTSEs and whatever have you do say so? What is the Frenchies doing? Nope. Frenchy nothing doing as well. Not many trade it anyway. CAC 40. Oil. Okay. Oil as well is use the above numbers for a sell, but we're going sideways, to be honest with you. Can you see? It's done the wizard's hat. So look for nice levels to sell in the oil, yeah? Yeah. Okay. I think Shanawaz will be smiling in oil anyway. Okay, Brent is same. They're sleeping at the moment. Hardly any volatility. Gold. Same. Look for rally to sell in. Rally to sell in. And what will happen is at the moment you can call it flight to safety, safe haven, all this, whatever have you, textbook stuffs, yeah? But as soon as either they accept this Ukraine thing or they come to some form of conclusion or agreement or whatever have you, this will just fizzle out. They will take off all the risk premium off it and splatter down, yeah? So basically think of it as beware of uncertainty, yeah? Beware of uncertainty, because all of a sudden they see a bit of a peace pipe and this will go down the tubes. And look, it's playing the World War numbers, 1939 to 1945, 1914, 1918. 1904. Yeah, those are the numbers you need to remember. 1972, that's when I came into UK. I don't know, maybe, I don't think we're going to see that. We're going to see that. We did see that day when I woke up early in the morning at around 3 in the morning and posted it, and then we fizzled out. Yeah. Everyone clear so far? What does gold? Will do silver as well. Silver is just playing in the game of squares as well, yeah? And it's going sideways. You can see it sideways move, yeah? And basically, in silver, all you need to do is just remember like 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What's 7 squared? 49. Fatal number. 6, 6 is 36. 5, 5 is 25. 4, 4 is 16. Yeah, where are we? We are playing in this 25 area. Yeah, what really, and also, without me saying, you must put the lines in between. Okay. Okay. Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD. You have to go fishing for a long, for a buy. Yeah. Don't do any heroics, small size, because I assume the dollar index will be around this 98 area now. Yeah, 97, 98 area. It's done an ABCD pattern up. Now we're looking for a dropper in that. If the dollar index drops, you should see the euro pushing upwards because it makes up nearly 55 or 60% of the basket. And you know how to trade two in one go, which is euro USD and USD CHF. If you buy the euro USD at the same time, you sell the USD CHF. Yeah. Okay. And let's see where we are in the what you call the dollar index anyway, just to make sure. Dollar index, yeah. I was guessing at 98, yeah. Yeah, we are at 98.04. It's done the ABCD pattern up anyway. So we're looking for a retracer, and this is the numbers for the dollar index, yeah. Okay, so far somebody made a comment, I think. Walaikum salam. Simply, I like that simplicity. Nice one. Okay. So Euro USD we were at. Okay. These are the numbers for Euro USD, yeah. And one obviously is like a psychological number, yeah. It's very important. Okay, USD CHF, like we said, if you buy the euro, you look to sell the USD CHF. Let's see what it's looking like on there. Okay, it's pointing there. Okay. 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 Sideways and down. This is the policeman. Okay. Yeah. Cable. Okay. 133. Okay. Need to watch that a little bit. Yeah. Need to watch that a little bit. Sideways, and it is slow as well. AUD we are coming near the C2 area. Need to watch it, make a V shape or fizzle out in between, and it's a small cell. Okay. TV will be similar, I assume. Yeah, TV same thing as well. We are at C2. Wait for it to fizzle out, seal the top in a V shape, and off it goes down. Euro JP. Okay, need to watch this a little bit. This is the base area, yeah. make a V shape proper, and then you wait for a pop up a bit. But you need to watch this area before the LOC, which is the policeman, yeah? GBP yen, sideways, similar situation as cable. Okay. USD JP. No, sideways, it's in the middle. It's in the middle. Need to wait. Need to wait. Today, like most stuff will happen, ADJP similar thing. If you can't get above C2, makes the V shape, and then you're looking for a downer. What is Looney doing? Looney is going sideways, yeah? Nothing doing, unless it... And Looney, like we said, does the camel walk, yeah? All of a sudden spikes up or down. Okay. Anybody, any questions or anything, do shout, yeah? Euro GBP, you can look for a little long in this one. But keep this in mind. Small size and hold it a bit. Euro AUD, similar thing. Wait for the V shape, stop below there, F2, F1, and watch this policeman. One thing, make sure that whether you take a buy or a sell or whatever, look at the volatility of the thing and look at the spread of it. That can your trade take in account the spread of the thing to make a profit. Otherwise, you'll be getting scratch trades. Yeah. Sumit, these I do every day, but you can use them for 3 days. You can use it for 3 days. Old numbers never die. Okay. But I always update them every day nearly anyway. Yeah. Hope that answers your question. Okay. Okay. New Zealand CHF, we are above C2. So now you wait for it to fizzle out, see the top, and you take for a sell. And wherever it's fizzled out, your first target will be C2 and then lower. Okay. And those who came, I showed like I think nearly 4 ways to buy, 4 ways to sell. Yeah. So use that logic. How many here are going to be free on Sunday? But not only this Sunday, for next 3 Sundays. Shout now. Shout now. Okay, Nalip, welcome. Okay, good. Shout out because this Sunday I'm going to start doing trends in depth. And that will take me just the trends to teach you, show you that, because not only this higher high, higher low business, I'll do it for at least for about 3 weeks. And then you will know that there's so much to trends and so much in it that you never thought about or saw before. It might be quite boring for some, I suppose, but if you want the foundation correct, then you need to go through that. That's why I said I want you to be free for not just this Sunday, for the next 3 Sundays. And each one will be about maybe 4 or 5 hours long. And you'll have to bring me samosas and kebabs and masala tea and everything. Okay, GBP CHF is just slow, nothing doing. AUD, NZD. They were sideways, walking like an Egyptian at the moment, waiting. Crooks thinking. And like I told everyone in my Discord channel or on the Telegram, send me a message as to what you trade, and that way we can work a bit smarter in that. I i don't mind doing the whole hog because I look at everyone, but that way I give you exactly what you want. Yeah, because like Euro NZD, maybe 80% of you never even look at it. Yeah. uh, Idea is I will look at all of them as I see them. But if you tell me which ones you concentrate on more, because it is not about me trading, it's about you trading, hopefully, and doing better at it. So I better give you what you need, what you want, what you trade, what's your bread and butter. Yeah. That way we can work a bit smarter. Once we've done that, then we can look at other things. So that way it will be better. I can make like a list, yeah, of which ones or what things you mainly trade. Talking about trade, I mean, for example, I don't think anyone here trades wheat. Yeah, I do trade it at times, but CME has stopped trading on wheat because it keeps on going limit up. So things must be with this Ukraine and wheat. Um, Things are quite dire in that. Yeah, and you will find that many forex brokers as well, they will stop trading in wheat for a while. They did similar situation in oil last time, yeah. So wheat is on that thing, and if you look in the past years, you will see there's something called the Great Russian Robbery, yeah, and they did that with wheat as well. And I think that is about, if memory serves right, is about maybe about 28 years ago or something like that. Yeah, is it's called the Great Wheat Robbery. Yeah, they really played havoc with that on the markets. Euro NZD is like a falling knife at the moment until and unless it seals in, nothing doing. But these ones will give a great opportunity when they base out. Yeah, so main thing is to keep patience and keep lines and numbers, and you know. GBP, well, it's a falling knife as well. Just need to watch. AUD put a stop above here, halfway line, C1 is target and lower. Yeah, it's quite clear. Quite clear. Somebody called a trader. I hope he's a trader. Makes me wonder many times. We all have names, but why put why put something like that? But the best one I ever had was somebody in our flash chat trading room came in as HW, I think Packard, I think something like that, bloody printer name, Maybe his parents couldn't find a name for him. I don't know. honestly, Nishan bhai, you
Helmet
can
backward.
you can ask Jack Pai. He will tell you we were all laughing on the floor until we kicked him out in the end. HW Packard, Packard. CAD, CHF, nothing to doing as far as CAD, Cappy. No, nothing doing falling knife. GBP AUD usually is a mover. Wow, this is going down the drains as well. Just need to wait until but these will give a very good opportunity once that base out. Now this is in the middle. Nothing doing. Main thing I think is they're waiting for
NFP. Yeah.
NFP Americans to wake up and
Correct.
then
Correct.
trap the Europeans kind of stuff. And also that we have the weekend. And the whole idea is keep everyone guessing over the weekend, Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then they come or wake up on Sunday night Globex, and Monday you wake up and say, "What happened here?" That's what they're going to do. Euro, nothing doing. Cocoa, okay. No, not anyone trades it here, I suppose. CHF JP, nice in the middle as well, pointing down. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Okay. VIX is good for sells, yeah? Pop up, you know where we are. We hit around 32 area. We are at 30, above here. Look for a small sell in VIX. It's quite volatile, yeah? Be careful on the VIX as well, but look for small sells. Don't do any heroics. Because this bugger, when it spikes, it does massive spikes. Yeah, it doesn't. See what I mean? Look, shoom. That kind of spikes you can get in VIX. Yeah, so be very careful. Okay. Mexican, nothing doing. No one trades it. Main thing is they need to look at the spreads as well. This is just like a falling knife. Look, nothing, and slow and steady and downers. New Zealand card. Okay, it's above C2, so wait until it bases out, seals the top, a V shape, and then you can look for a scalp even. Same here, above C2, halfway line, C1, yeah? Dollar index is done a ABCD. Just watch it slowly, fizzle out a bit, and take a small sell. And like I said, keep this one with your euro so you know where to buy, where to get out. USD ZAR, the gold currency. Okay, it's making like a U shape going up, MOB area. Okay. And gold is at 1939. Okay. Dr. Copper. Copper is already showing down and they call it Dr. Copper. If this keeps going down, the floor traders usually indicate that they are going down in spoos, yeah? Let's see. Okay, yeah. Platinum, white gold. Okay, two, double topper, bottom, nothing doing here. It's pointing down though. Soybeans pointing down but stopped. Okay. Nat gas. Okay, steady as well. Nothing doing here. Remember, this nat gas kept on falling down for years, yeah? We were down, I think, around 2 and lower and things like that. Yeah, it's only recently that it has woken up a bit, yeah? Say, look, 2 for a while. Okay. Bitcoin. Small long in it, but need to be patient and you need to take in account the how much it can move basically. Yeah, it doesn't move in 50 pips, yeah. This burger we can easily say 1,000, 2,000 pointer can move, yeah. Nishant, by the last what you call we did I did live stream. Haji Attila came as well. Yeah, he was free. He came
Okay.
in. He was asking about you, as well.
Okay. How is he doing?
He's fine. He's fine. He's very happy, and he was asking about you. And then we finished the live stream. Then he sent me a link because he was doing with his Turkish
Yeah, yeah.
friends and everybody a little Zoom. Yeah. So I
Okay.
think me and Pearl and Junaid, we went in, and it was fun. We had fun. Also, another announcement, no? Nishant bhai, forgot to tell you as well. 10th of March, yeah? So, which is like, I think, next Thursday, yeah? Um, so, all the people who are here or everyone or whatever, you can see my email going down in the scroll. Write it down and write your name and send a message if you want to come. Then Larry Pesavanto is going to come and do a what you call a seminar or webinar for us on the 10th of March. Yeah, I'm going to finalize the time with him, and also what he's going to do is he's going to ask. Well, I'll tell you the names, but he's going to ask Stan Harley to come in as well, and also Shane. Yeah, and maybe Tom Hugard will pop in as well. Yeah, so we'll have about 3 or 4 best of the best in the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next Thursday we're going to do that. I'm going to finalize the time with him, but of course, in all the Templars, you are all welcome. You are in, whether I say or not, you are in. Yeah, but
Yeah.
the other ones who have come here, if they want to attend that, then it is by going to be by invite only, not a link for anybody and everyone to pop in. Yeah, it's not worth it. Yeah, so keep hold of that email and send it to me, and that way you will not miss out. Is that fair enough? Yeah. Himanshu, carry shorts on what? Ethereum. And this is our line from years back, Nishant by 2880.
Yeah.
Touched it down and it's not seen it since. This is all thanks to Vulture, not me, nothing to do with me. This is Vulture stuff, yeah. But you can see the line. Look at it. Uh, I always, whenever we do them and I put the line, I always leave it on Nishant, but I never touch it after that, nah.
Yeah.
So but we can see, look at it, that when we were above water, people are thinking never there, and then look, when it's left it like good style, yeah. And obviously we know that if it starts going up, then this one becomes a magnet.
Right.
Huh? Nearer we get the magnet, the harder the magnet becomes, yeah.
Correct.
And this is Ripple. Back to here. I think Ripple we went to about was it around 1 or 2 maybe? Yeah, nearly 2, yeah. Okay. No, oil we done. Okay. So now these are what you call because many don't trade futures. This is S&P 500, which you people call as US 500, I suppose, as well, and cash. Yeah, this is the cash levels. Yeah, this is the cash index. Okay, so you keep these numbers. Yeah. Okay, so that one, I US 30. Yeah, this for you is down. Yeah, US 30. Yeah, cash levels. Yeah, this is a 33,600 and okay, Nishan bhai, the difference is hardly anything, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's only before, remember, we were like about nearly 150 odd points away. We are only about 50 points, say.
Correct.
50 points, yeah. So cash and futures are like contagion nearly. Okay, so these are the levels. Just Indian rupee, just for fun. Is I don't know why I always look at it, but always do look at it. Okay, it's going up a bit. Okay, C2 and then down. Amsterdam. Okay, it's pointing down as well. It's left a little gap as well, very tiny. But yeah, it's pointing down, and it's we can say 700 area. Yeah, 10 times 7. Shanghai index, big gap left down as well. Okay, stopping. Nikkei, Nikkei, nice downer now, relaxed. Singapore. There used to be, I think Eric used to trade because he lived in Singapore, traded that, but haven't seen Eric for a while.
Okay.
Eric is like I think Ruben. You know
Right.
Ruben's friend. You know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Coffee, nice dropper as well. Need to wait and see. Okay, gold future is 1941. Okay, 1941.85. Okay, difference is between the future and gold spot is like roughly $2. Yeah,
$2. Yeah, yeah.
$2. Okay. Haji Nimanshu, you can hold it, yeah, but don't do any hero stuff, yeah. Okay, guys, any questions or anything or whatever? And also one thing, all of you guys on the YouTube channel, put down honest comments. You know, the last two, three I only see is just the Templars, two or three, just putting a comment or whatever. All the other guys who come to visit us, nobody leaves a comment or anything. Yeah. So, any questions, any guys or anything or whatever?
No questions
Simplicity
coming.
is Zahrat, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, I think Ishan, by this is it.
Yes,
Everyone
but
okay?
yeah,
Yeah. So they've got everything. They've got no questions. So that's fine.
right.
Okay then. So Nishant bhai, I think I'll switch off and go and get some breakfast and maybe lie down for an hour or so.
Sure, bye. Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
and then
Yeah.
catch up. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
bye.
So bye everybody, and I'm going to check my email, and obviously I'm going to check my on the YouTube to see how many have left a comment. Yeah, but I want an honest comment. Okay. So bye everybody, and anything just give a shout. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Ending
Yeah.
now. Ending now. Ending now. Ending now. Done.